Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far. I am slightly negative for the day, basically negative one trade, which is my fault. It's always my fault. But hopefully we will get back positive. Actually, in the process of... That's the wrong one. Oh, goodness. Give me 1 second. I spilled water everywhere, so I am trying to find the right version of my cheat sheet so I can reprint it, because the one I just printed is not it. Alright, let me put the chart back on the screen. So I did decide to make one change, just one. We'll see the effects of that. Nothing, I just removed something from my chart. Everything else will stay the same for the most part. How did that save that way? That's not even the same. That's weird. I don't even know how that saved that way. All right. Sorry, I keep having to open. All right. Is that printed? Why is it defaulting to a printer? Whatever. That's why I didn't print the first time. Good morning, Trenches. How are you? I spilled water literally everywhere. Let me go get my stuff off the printer. All right. Love you too, baby. You're welcome. Have a good day at work. See you later. You're welcome. All right, y'all. Wait. Did I print? Oh no, that is the wrong one. Okay, yeah. So I did remove one thing from my chart. I don't feel like I need it. And I also feel like I could be a little bit lax. I wouldn't even say that, but a little bit more lax with a couple of my rules. So we'll see. I should actually be in the green right now. There were order lags earlier, so when I was like stuck in the orders were still showing on my chart going one way. I didn't feel comfortable getting into the trade going the other way yet because I needed the orders to disappear. So that happened to me twice. The kids just got here, so making sure they were settled, that was a third win. And then I do have one trade in there that I took that wasn't valid, and I didn't realize until right after I was out of it. So that's cool. I am hoping that that can kind of help just a little bit with things, taking that one thing off of my chart. So we'll see. I basically took my middle level off, so now I just have my minor and major level. So we'll see what happens with that. Because in doing so yesterday, last night, when I went through yesterday's data, I would have gotten way better trades yesterday had I done that. And I also looked through like all of last week, and then there's a certain week in October that I like to look at, basically the first week of October, because there was so much volume in that week and volatility. So I really like to backtest things for that particular week as well. And then I chose another week that was like a slower week, and it looks like it works out a lot better. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I do have the wrinkles on the charts again. Got some green in some accounts and red in some others. Okay. We could bring the reds back. I need to, probably after 10 o'clock, I just need to rewrite the notes that I have on my other cheat sheet on this one. Normally, like after a while of me realizing that the notes like need to stay, I will what is that up there? Okay, yeah, no, I'm not doing that. I will like actually type it onto that cheat sheet or whatever and just reprint it. But I didn't this time just because I'm still trying to see a few things. We did clear that. So we're rejecting off of the VWAP right now. That's what that red line is. That's the second standard deviation level. Oh yeah. So I didn't put out a daily update video last night, not because I didn't want to. I tried for like an hour. For whatever reason, my NinjaTrader would not connect. It just kept saying it was being blocked by my firewall. So I reset my modem and reset my router and restarted my computer, made sure I didn't have any drivers that needed to be updated. I still honestly have no idea why it was doing that, but I tried so many times to get NinjaTrader to work, and it didn't work until like, what time did I finally start back testing? Probably, it was like super late at night, and I was just like, this is pointless. I'm not about to record this, upload it for 7 a.m. and do it. It just won't be one for Monday. I always put how much I lose in the title of the live video anyway. The recap is just, you know, to make the information a little bit more digestible as far as how and why I lost. But yeah, it's no biggie. So another thing that I am thinking of doing, and I'm going to start doing it with the next trades, is I usually break even when price hits like my rotation levels, but I'm about to stop, I think, at least when I'm going in the same direction. So like if it's like a sell rotation level and I'm taking a sell and it hits the level, like usually if price hits the level, any level while I'm well, not any level, but certain levels while I'm in a trade, I will break even. But I think with that particular one, if I'm in a sell and it's a sell rotation and it hits it, I'm going to stay in it, because I have been noticing that I've been breaking even when that happens, but it typically will hit it, break even, and go straight to my take profit. Now, if I'm in a buy and I'm going towards a sell rotation level and it hits it, I will continue to break even, at least for now. At least for now. We'll see. We will see. I can't believe I spilled this water everywhere. I got it all up, but I have wood floors, so I don't really want to take this. I don't think I want to take that sale. There's divergence here and there, but we will be going back towards the new session low, and I kind of want to just get all of this stuff rewritten, so let me do that real quick. But yeah, I'm trying to make sure I get all of this up, because you definitely don't want moisture in wood. Actually surprised I'm not more tired than I am. Alright, so this is another thing that I was paying attention to. Oh, it already changed actually. Cool. Alright, yeah, see stuff like this. So there was a buy rotation level there, and if it would have sold there, I would have went ahead and broke even, which it just did just now. CC bar 2. so flimsy. Good morning. No Play-Doh. We play with Play-Doh later, okay? I can't trust you with Play-Doh by yourself. Because you get it everywhere. Okay? Okay. You and this please thing, chap. Oh no, is it still wet? Oh no, there's still water somewhere. Crap. Alright, there's definitely still water somewhere. It's probably... Oh, yeah. Under my keyboard. I didn't pay attention to that. Damn, I'm gonna have to do that all over. This is ghetto. Alright, I think I'm good now. Okay. What are you talking about? That was a really good trade right there that I actually could have definitely taken. Oh, you want different color? Here. Oh. What color do you want? Here. Gotta choose a different color. Oh, you just made it red. Sorry, y'all. He's playing with my LED lights. So you might see me change colors. Alright, we're at 9:30. I don't feel like... I might have to reprint this again. It's not gonna dry properly. I did all the colors. You did all the colors? Good job. Oh, because you pressed the wrong button, baby. Here. Don't touch the lights. Ooh. You got all the colors? Alright. I don't want to take that by divergence. I am in a my bias is an uptrend, but that doesn't really matter. I still take sales. It actually didn't clear the level that made it an uptrend, so that level was 653.75. Oh my goodness. No. Why, bro? There we go. Bye. I need to reprint. All right, and the bias just changed again. Really mad I have to reprint this. But I don't know why it's defaulting to a different printer. All right, let me get this off the printer again. All right, let's see. Is that a double top up there? It was. All right. No sale going back towards this new session low. No, please, water, don't get on it. Oh, there's a little bit right there. Let's try this again. All right, I don't want to take this buy, so we'll sit out. See what happens with the next swing up. Is that a fee? Oh no, that's not. I'm not really interested in this sell either. I always feel like the first, my major levels back here, I always feel like the first pullback there I don't like. It's the second one. So like if it comes down, you know, and comes back and then comes back down, I like the second ones way better than the first ones. I don't really feel like the first ones hold that well, but look, this will be the one that says, you thought. All right, yeah, see, there's the loss there. Open 22. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but that first pullback there, I just don't like. Ever. Alright, we created a 1 bar pullback. I don't take divergence after that. First one. And technically, I could have definitely taken that. The 1 bar pullback, I could have. Green, red. All right. Okay, now that that's done, I can concentrate. Let's do it. Uh-oh, my nephew's getting in trouble. Oh, don't come in here because you in trouble. You're making quite a bit of noise, bro. It's cold. All right, we got an hour and a half. I should be able to get some more trades in. Just need a couple more ticks for my stop to move to break even. One more. Even better. All right, so we're almost back to break even. Oh, actually, I technically am. It's just minus commissions. Up $10. Then it's $35 in commissions. I took 9 trades. Well, yeah. My nephew. My nephew is a clown. It's like he just be wanting to get in trouble. How long was I in that trade for? I don't know why everything is opening over there. About 19 seconds. It's pretty good. Give your sister her applesauce back right now. Sorry guys, I have a crying baby in my background. Come here, come here, come here. Want some more? It's not your applesauce. But it's not your applesauce. It's Sissy's applesauce. You had Cheerios this morning.
I want Cheerios.
But you ate Cheerios.
I want them.
Okay. You want some yogurt? Hmm?
No.
Yes? Okay. I get you some yogurt, okay?
Me.
You want yogurt now?
Me.
Okay, come on, come on. Alright. So 1 bar pullback that I missed, but I wouldn't have taken. If I would have taken it, I would have just broken even. There was too much seller pressure that came in I don't even, why is it not showing? The 51.75 level is where my bias changed from sell to buy. Come here. I have your yogurt. Come on. This. My nephew is a brat. You don't want it? You don't want a bowl? This is yogurt. Look. Taste it. It's yogurt. Taste it. Here, come sit on my lap. Come sit on my lap and eat it. I don't have time for brats this morning. All right. Yeah, I definitely think the small little change of taking that one thing off of my chart was that plus just not being so strict with certain things. I think it's gonna end up helping in the long run. Alright, that's still divergent, so I won't take that. Since it's after the 1 bar pullback. So we'll just wait and see. Wait for the next retracement to see if we're going to continue down. Because 643.25 was the second level that confirmed that it was changing to an uptrend. So if we stay below this level, I'll know that we have a really good chance of actually continuing down. I'm definitely wondering if I'm gonna be able to like not have to break even so much anymore. That 1 bar pullback buy was really nice. Buyer pressure came in, but I'm gonna stay in the trade for now. Hello, are you gonna close? That is so stressful. 47. All right, this did push off of the view up. $1,081. Y'all, I haven't seen green in a long time. You want TT's phone?
Give me his.
What?
Give me his.
I said it was yours. You want it? Okay, sit on my lap and eat it. You don't have to tell me to give it here. It was already yours. Why are you being so mean this morning? What's up?
I eat burger.
You eating yogurt? I know, I tried to give it to you earlier, but you stormed off like a brat. And I'm just not understanding. Why are you being mean to Granny? To Mama? Why are you being mean to Mama? What she do to you? Because you cannot be mean to my granny. I fight kids. You know what I'm saying?
Huh.
I will fight you for my granny. Because you low-key got my granny messed up.
I'm there.
Hmm?
I want to there.
You are sitting down. What do you mean? Is the yogurt good?
Yeah.
I knew it would be. I know you like the yogurt. You just have to stop being mean to people. It's not nice. You know what I mean? We hit the middle pivot level. You got yogurt all over my disc, bro. Anyway, we hit the middle pivot level to the tick. Eat your yogurt before I take it.
Oh, yogurt.
You have yogurt. Silly goose. It's good.
Oh, hard to
Hmm? You want to have TT phone? Put that in there. Put the spoon in there. Okay. Are you done with your yogurt? Okay, let's go clean your face first. Come on. You sit in TT chair.
Yeah, I like it.
What do you want to watch?
Sit with me.
Sit with you. I don't know if we could both fit in this chair, but I'll try. TT's a little wide. What do you want to watch?
I'm gonna watch Kiki House.
What?
Kiki. I'm gonna watch Kiki.
Kiki House?
Yeah.
What is that, bro?
I'm gonna watch Kiki House. I can watch Kiki House.
Baby, I don't know. Oh, that is a show.
Say Kiki House.
Oh, is it this? That?
Yeah, that
Oh, interesting.
one. Yeah.
I thought you was just tripping.
1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, yeah.
Okay, go lay in TT's bed. Ready? Jump.
Big book.
Mm-hmm.
Big book.
It is a book. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know how to make it turn? Let me see.
I'm gonna keep the bubble.
There you go. All right, I don't want to take this buy. So we'll just wait. I think all the water's up. All right, so I'll just wait after this buy. I'll wait for the retracement. See if I want to take a sell on the divergence. But I will have to be extremely careful because we'll be pushing off of a support level. Or not. That's that same 643.25 level that changed it from a sell to a buy, and we just still haven't really we cleared it a little bit, but then we immediately came back below it, and that was the second attempt to clear it, and it just could not hold. So let's see, we gotta push off the VWAP. So in previous streams, when I had the 5-second chart over there and you guys would see circles just pop up, that's what it actually looked like on Rinko's. Kind of showed me what I was kind of looking for. 3.3608. Good morning, baby. You coming in here? Okay. So nice of you to join us. Good morning, Shoe Hustle. Thank you for the sub. Thank you, thank you. Welcome to the stream. That's in front, so that might become a 1 bar pullback. No, it's not. All right, even better. Too much seller pressure, so I don't have to make any decisions. There's a level here that if the bar would have wicked off, I actually would have probably gotten into the sale, but it didn't wick through it. It went through the body of that reversal candle, so I like to see wicks at levels more than I like to see it go through the body, because I feel like if it goes through the body of the reversal candle, it wasn't as strong of a level because it should have reacted way faster, basically. Just my thought process. I'm like that even with like the previous open, high, low, close, the current opening, well, just the current open. So and you see it didn't quite clear it initially. I would have gotten stopped out with an outside bar and then it just took off after that. All right. We're at the level where if it clears 612.25, that'll change to a downtrend for me. What about you want cover? Want this cover? No? Everything is kind of setting up okay for this sale, but well, it depends on how far it goes back. All right, right now it's invalidated because it would close on that pivot level. This was the perfect divergence, except how it pushed off up here. There was a level there that it pushed off of that I wasn't comfortable trading going back towards, but like I said earlier in the stream, there's a couple of little tweaks that I'm making to make things a little less strict. And that might be one of them that I could be less strict with, but we'll see, because historically going back towards that level, because it went through the body of that candle, historically I would lose. So I have to be really careful with that. But this is all just the testing phase. That is what it's there for. Alright, so we have that level. We're definitely attempting to continue the uptrend. We're back at the level that changed it from a downtrend to an uptrend. So if we can rotate above this level, it should be a pretty strong uptrend. The level is right there. Why does she gotta give it to you? Bubba, if he used a tablet, you could just use my phone. Okay. 597. No fighting, guys. I just hit my minor level to the tick, and I don't know if we're gonna clear that level or not. We'll see. But I'm not gonna take the buy unless it pulls back a little bit more. I'm not gonna take it. I need to see it clear the level by even just one tick. Want me to change it? Okay, so we're still in the same candle, I see. We've been in the same candle for about 2 minutes. I need socks. Oh, I broke my nail. Why is it after 10 o'clock that things just start getting so laggy? This has happened like every day for the last week, and I just do not understand. My charts are so laggy right now. They're so weird. The buy was invalidated. Stayed there a little longer than I wanted to be. So I can remove that. Looks like we're probably rejecting off of the level that changed it to a buy. Rejecting off of it again. Why does this happen at 10 o'clock every day? Now I just know it's just always going to happen after 10. And it's so weird. And it's probably going to last like 10 minutes. It's so, uh-oh. Oh, what the hell did I just do? It's so weird that it lags so much at 10 o'clock, but it doesn't lag like at market open and stuff. I don't have any lag when all the volatility is here in the beginning of the session. I don't know. What about you? Ate all your applesauce? Yeah. I'm not talking. You have to come eat it over here. You can't eat it in the bed. No, you're not eating it in the bed. No, come over here. You can bring the phone. Come here, bring the phone. No, you're not eating over there. You want to eat in the kitchen? Mm-mm. No. Can't put it on your lap in the bed. No, I didn't eat any of it. Your brother did. I didn't give him that much though. Keep coming back and retesting the level over and over. Oh, I forgot I removed it from my chart because I thought it was gonna completely push down, but we're still here. It's still really laggy, which is very frustrating. We're trying to reject off of it again. $46.50. That's important up there. Alright, so it looks like we're trying to clear it. The 2-second lag is crazy. I don't know what Rhythmic does at 10 a.m. every morning, but whatever they do, they need to stop. That's unacceptable. Very unacceptable. I low-key probably could have taken that buy right there. Was very iffy. Might come back and retest the 643.25 level. If the seller pressure comes in, I'll likely attempt to break even if I could do it fast enough. Only because so this top line, oh, you could see it. That is the previous higher high. We cleared it, but we came back to it. So if seller pressure comes in, it just did. Hello, break even. I don't. Yeah, only because we didn't completely clear that level, I don't really feel the most comfortable with staying in that particular trade. So we'll just see how it plays out. Even if it wins, I'm okay with that, but I didn't like that. Yeah, see, that would have lost. Came too many ticks below the entry of that candle. That's how I know it would have lost. It can only come 3 ticks beyond it. Good morning, JT Facts. Thank you for the sub. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I just wasn't a fan of how we came back to it. If we would have stayed above that 640, 650, the high of that candle, I would have definitely stayed in that trade. But we just didn't. Now we might rotate back below the 643.25. I questioned that, and I didn't have to. Like I said, when I'm making little slight changes, it kind of just makes you like a little bit more iffy on certain setups, just because what you could take before or what you couldn't take before, you could possibly now take. Now that one would have actually just broken even on its own anyway, so it's like no biggie. 20, 21, 22. Yeah, it would have came like 2 ticks from my take profit and just broken even. I feel like that other level would be... Where's a fib? Okay, I know it cleared it. We're pushing back towards so 614.50 is a level that might change this uptrend bias to a downtrend. See if we can clear that. Good morning, Meg. How are you? How are you this morning? Hoping I can stay green. All right, here we go. I'm so tempted to just stop. Okay, y'all know it's been a long time since I seen green on my screen. I just want to stop. But y'all know how I am, I can't. Yesterday, with my less restrictive rules, removing that one level from my chart, it was a super green day. Today should have been a super green day so far too, but it's alright. Whenever I have the kids, I always, especially if it's trades like around the time that they just get here, I always know I'm gonna miss stuff and all of that, so it just is what it is. Gotta just take it for what it is. That was just a divergence pullback to my major level back there. Told you guys I don't really like taking the first trade there, but that one in particular I could, because it cleared. It never touched a different level going back, so I felt cool with that one. Glad you're back to doing your thing. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's been rough, okay? Who wants to show a bunch of strangers online that they're failing at the thing they're trying to master? Nobody. But I also just like showing people that it's a process, especially when you're building something from scratch. It's not like I'm trading ICT or this person's strategy, or that I'm building this myself from scratch. So, which is sometimes what you have to do. Sometimes even after all the research that you've done and courses and all that other stuff, sometimes you just don't like what other people have to offer. And that is just what was the case for me. So it was important that I show the struggle. This is a buy I wouldn't normally take if I had the other level on my, well, I can't really see the other level, but I can kind of guesstimate where it would be. And I would just break even right there probably anyway, because seller pressure just came in. So we'll see. There you go. Okay, so I can. So what I was doing a little bit of back testing last night. That trade right there I could take. Now we were going back towards the VWAP, so I would have definitely still just broken even no matter what. But it's going to be a lot of trades that I sit out of just because I can't see that other level anymore, especially if it pulls back to my major level. There's just certain trades I'm going to stay out of because I can't see that other level anymore. So I just want to make sure that it's not anything that I have to pay attention to anymore. So it'll take a while before it gets to that point, because I'm not doing extensive backtesting, y'all. I told y'all I refuse. But I've done enough backtesting to know, and just forward testing with trading in the live markets, I kind of know the patterns that I literally see every single day. sometimes it's just hard to like quantify it, because for me it has to make sense on paper. We got 40 minutes left. I hope the kids want to take a nap today. TT's tired. We'll see. We're back at the 643.25 level. We got two levels sitting right here together. And I'm not going to take this buy going up. Don't want that one. We didn't clear the two yellow lines right there. Because we didn't clear it on the way up, I don't want to take the buy to continue up because we were already in an uptrend. So if we switched from a downtrend to an uptrend and didn't clear those levels, I would be just fine with it. But we were already in an uptrend, so I expect for it to be a lot stronger of a move. But the fact that we came back to those levels and just didn't clear it, I'm not comfortable or confident in it. I have to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. What's wrong? What do you want to watch? You want to watch what, baby? Let me see. Huh? What? You press pause, baby. Wait, what happened to it? Look, which one do you want to watch? All right. All right, so it looks like we're clearing it finally. I don't know if this level was, I don't think it was there at first. It should have been, whatever. that was there initially, I would have actually taken the buy because it would have solidified the move. It's very weird. And it would have won too. What else? Alright. So no buys. We didn't break through that high. So it's not that strong of a move. So I'll keep that one where it is. I'm taking 12 trades. There's the indecision. There's the seller pressure. $8.30. See if we get a divergence move down. As long as it doesn't stall here too long. Alright, so that invalidated itself. But you guys see what I mean? We didn't clear the high. And had I entered it, I would have broken even no matter what because seller pressure came in. So because we didn't break it and seller pressure came in, you know, it would have been a break even, but it was just no need to get into it. If this is truly an uptrend, it should, a strong uptrend at that, it should break that high. And like if it would have, if this reversal bar down would have cleared it and then we just continued up, like wicked off of it, even the body of the reversal back up would have been fine. But that's a pattern that like I started noticing probably about 2 weeks ago, maybe 2.5. But because it was such a new pattern of me seeing, I wasn't really paying attention to it. Like I would literally legit see it and I'm just like, and still get into the trade. And I'm like, why the hell did that one lose? And I mean, it's not an explanation for everything, you know, every loss. But then as soon as I would look to the left just a little bit, which was still on my screen, I'm like, bro, why did I take that? It didn't clear the high. So that's why they tell you like chart time is invaluable. No matter what strategy you're using, it takes chart time to really see the consistent patterns over and over and over again. What? You're welcome. You're pushing the wrong things. You're pushing ads instead of videos. All right, we got a double bottom and a double top here. And I don't take any trades if there's a double bottom and double top back to back. So like even if this pulled back and gave me a decent buy, I still wouldn't take it because we started with a double bottom and double top back to back. So I know for sure I won't be getting into this sell or the next buy. So I would just have to wait to see what happens after we have the next pullback. Now, if this clears and goes up, different story. But right now, we're having trouble clearing that higher high right there. Must be water on the bottom of this. All right, so we cleared it. Excuse me. Did we really? That just created an outside bar right there. Now see, if I was on time-based or tick-based charts, it would look like we cleared this high. I know for sure it would look like we cleared the high. But if this reverses back down, then it would prove that we did not clear the high. And that is why I prefer Rinkos. Kind of the same thing that happened back here. At least the 10 to 11 hour was not the hour of death for my accounts today. Out to work. Good job today. Thank you, Mig. Have a great day at work. And I will see you tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be with the kiddos all day today, so I'm gonna try to get all my work done as quickly as possible. Because with kids, it's so unpredictable what the day is gonna be like, especially with my nephew. Alright, so yeah, we tried to clear it. We just couldn't. Now, I could have taken this sell, but I didn't. And it would have just broken even, which is why I wanted to watch it. Not quite sure. I would have gotten filled. But the reason why I didn't take it is just because the high is going through the body of this reversal candle. So it was a great divergence trade. Now, if we would have wicked off of it, cool. Or if we would have like been all the way up here, fine. But that's the one reason why I didn't take it. And like I said, it would have just broken even anyway. We went 21 ticks and then the stop loss would have moved to break even. So no buys right now since we didn't actually clear that high. I wonder why. Did they hit me up? Probably not. Oh, is he not live today? it's not. I watched his stream yesterday. Sorry if you guys hear my fan in the background a little bit. My niece is falling asleep, and I like them to sleep with white noise. It helps them stay asleep longer. I didn't want to take that divergence. Remember, my overall bias is an uptrend, so I didn't want to take that divergence just because it started with a double bottom. And we may be okay to do it, but let's see what it would do. It's already gone up 21 bars. There's the win. There is the win. That's another thing I'll just have to look at a little bit more, because I have a feeling that the reason why some of my divergence trades that start with a double bottom don't work so well is just because it's dependent on if this double bottom is based on a higher low or a lower high. So because this one was based on a higher low, I should be able to take that trade, which it won. So yeah, it's just little things like that that just take time, because sometimes like what I've been paying attention to for the last couple of weeks is not necessarily what I'm going to be able to pay attention to this week. So I might see things that I didn't see before. That was a valid sale, but I would have just broken even just now because we're going back towards the VWAP and buyer pressure just came in. And I don't remember. Oh yeah, I will. All right, so I want to be careful with that buy. Only because, like I said, I can't see that level that I took off the chart and I know it's there. At least for now, I won't take it unless the reversal bar clears my major level. Now, if this one wins, it'll just let me know I don't have to pay attention to it not being there. That's why I took it off in the first place, but just kind of want to make sure. All right, so we're almost clear of my major level. What is that? 35.50. Okay, so now we're clear of it. I feel a little bit better taking the trade. Or do I? Let's see if we could keep going. As long as buyer pressure, I don't want buyer pressure to come in. All right, well, we've secured the profits no matter what. No, you're going the wrong way. Just finish it out. I only need one more funky little point. If you hate me, just say that. At least I did get the tick out of it. One of the things that I do hate is when it breaks even and it stops me out, like my break even that it stops me out at is my exact entry price, and then I lose commissions. That's irritating because why did you do that? But at least I did get the full tick out of it, so it's whatevs. Oh, excuse me. It's so funny how, like, in this process, I've gone from like very little restrictions to like super restrictive to a little bit. It's like I've found like a middle ground today because this is just a change I made last night. So, and that kind of always happens, like, because I've developed other strategies, but they were all intraday swinging, and I don't want to do that anymore. But it was kind of the same thing with that. Very little restrictions, then super restrictive. Then you realize, okay, wait, some of this stuff is keeping me out of too many wins. We got to figure this thing out. And that's that. All right, so VWAP is going through the body of that candle. We have news. Oh, we do have news. Got a speaker. I forgot. All right, so all right, that just changed things a little bit. All right, so the 618.25 level is where it just changed to a downtrend for me. Officially. So let's see if we could stay below it or if we're going to start trading above it. I'm not going to take the divergence buy. And I'm also not interested in the first retracement. So we'll just have to wait. And it might be that we don't even get either of those two things in the next 14 minutes, to be honest. But we'll see. We will see. Wait, how do I take that off my screen? Oh. Oh, we are pushing down, ain't we? The only reason I didn't take that sell though is just because it didn't because my major level was in front of the minor. I wanted to see, and actually, all right, hold on. I could take this first sale actually because we cleared that level up there. But yeah, my major level was in front and it didn't rotate over it. It just kind of wicked off of it, and I don't like taking that. I don't know why y'all like to wake each other up when each other is sleeping. It's crazy. It's craziness. Need to see a bit more of a stall here. It just did, but buyer pressure came in. Can we break even? Probably not because it's a lag. Come on. Please. Thank you. I'm assuming that this random spike in volume is coming because news is coming. There's a speaker that's about to speak, so and I broke even there because we were going back towards the new session low and buyer pressure came in. I don't really feel comfortable taking this buy, so I'm not going to. So we'll see what happens. Oh, and I just realized. And it looks like that would have lost if I stayed in. It would have stopped me out to the tick. So good call on my part, literally to the tick. And that's one of the trashy parts about having a tight stop loss, but it's just personally what I prefer. I don't want to have to win 3 trades just to make up for a loss or win 2 trades to make up for a loss. I stayed out of this buy because I think that level I removed from my chart is there. I kept the marker on there, I just can't see it, so it still tells me when it pulls back to it. And boom, there's the loss. I can't even tell what that's doing. Oh, that was the win. My zigzag like detached itself. So I couldn't even really see what was actually going on right there. But it's fine. Oh, let's see, 53. I'm gonna break even just because news is coming and I don't like the way the market's moving. Now, technically, I'm not supposed to break even for another minute, so we'll just watch it and see what happens. But that's just a little bit more movement than what I would like to see. But it's probably, I would end up breaking, I'll show you where I would break even though if price hits here before 10:53. So it would be like another 20 seconds in the trade. We'll see what happens. So right now is when I would set the break even manually. We didn't get quite there. And we just would have broken even. So same outcome. Same outcome. Since we were going back towards that double top, just seeing it move that way, we don't like it. But either way, it was going to be a break even. It came, the low of this bar was exactly the open of that particular bar. So I still had 3 ticks of wiggle room. So like this is what I was saying. So that level right there is a sell rotation level, but I was in a buy. So I would have definitely broken even once it hit that level anyway. Now, since it's medium impact news, I can continue to trade until 1 minute before, but I always close any trade 7 minutes before a news event. I don't know what it is about that 7-minute mark, but it's always proven to be important so far that in the time that I've been like trading that way. But as long as it's not high impact news, I could just continue to trade afterwards until 1 minute before. But if it's high impact news, I just stay out until 2 minutes after. But with this event, I'm done at 11 o'clock anyway. So I only have like 5 more minutes of trading left. About halfway, a little less than halfway to getting the full drawdown back on this account. So that's cool. Did no, it ends tonight, right? Yeah. Oh, he's in a buy. I hope he knows that there is a speaker. Okay. My NinjaTrader disconnected as I went to close my position. Forget longs, protect your capital if you're not short. All right. Okay, he did get out of that trade. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to end up getting a trade anyway. which would be a-okay with me. This would be my first green day in 2 weeks. What? I'm pretty sure my last green day was January 22nd. And I've had a losing day ever since. I'm quite sure. Let's see. Content. Loss. Wait, where is the... Yeah, January 22nd. See, I be knowing. It's forever etched in my brain. Had 10 losing days in a row. Is that why that did? No. I'm not sure if this sale is going to set up or not, but I'm not going to get into it. And if it wins, I'm okay with that. That's what that would look like. Because I'm still not completely sure about just this particular pattern. And I would be closing the trade at 10:59 anyway, since news is at 11. So it would really be pointless because it's like 10 seconds from now. There's the buyer pressure. Let's see if it would break even at least. Not quite. All right, there's the break even. So cool. All right, so that's the end of my session, you guys. I thank you guys for tuning in. We had a green day. This is the first green day in 11 days. I had 10 straight days of red, but I'm still here pushing. So I will definitely put out the daily update tonight because I'm just going to record it now just in case that stupid firewall error comes up again. I don't want to deal with that, so I'll just record it now. That'll be out tonight at 5 o'clock. I hope you guys had a great trading session, and I hope you continue to have a great one. And besides the video tonight, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Have a great day.